China is a major producer of unique and inexpensive goods, and importing and selling items sourced from China is one of the best ways to make money online from anywhere in the world. And that's why in this video I'll be sharing with you the 10 most profitable items to import from China and sell from anywhere in the world. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get the full gist. Hi Magis gang, my name is Majojiba Maji for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me again. Group hug. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone or anything dim your light. LED light strips are a fun way to add some light to an area without running up the electric bill. They are definitely popular among online shoppers and they are lightweight, small, and easy to ship. Additionally, there are many options like remote control, colorful, solar powered, timer, etc. So you have no shortage of choices. LED light strips have an average monthly search volume of about 19,000 on Amazon and between 100,000 to 1 million on Google. You can import 100 pieces of this 100-foot LED light strip from Alibaba.com for $18.81 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $35.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 48%. As of the time I was doing my research for this video, portable tire inflators rank number 8 in the automotive section on Amazon's best sellers list. They typically come equipped with a flashlight and accessories like tube extensions, nozzle adapters, cable, clamps, and a carrying bag. Portable tire inflators have an average monthly search volume of about 40,000 on Amazon and 20,000 on Google. You can import 9 of this type of portable tire inflator from Alibaba.com for $15.67 per piece, or you can import 500 from Alibaba.com for $15.20 per piece, or you could import 1,000 from Alibaba.com for $14.79 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $31.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 51%, 53%, or 54% respectively. Surprisingly, binoculars are a popular product for people of all ages and with all kinds of interests. You can sell binoculars for kids to play with, night vision binoculars for looking at scenes in the dark, or waterproof binoculars for bird watching in the rain, for instance. Binoculars could be a higher priced item, but they can still earn a healthy profit margin. Additionally, they are compact, so you can find affordable shipping options. Binoculars have an average monthly search volume of about 92,000 on Amazon and between 100,000 to 1 million on Google. You can import 100 binoculars from Alibaba.com for $9.53 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $25.92 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 63%. Meat thermometers are highly compact and generally lightweight. Additionally, at the time of doing my research for this video, they rank number 10 in the home and kitchen category on Amazon's best sellers list. Meat thermometers make fantastic gifts for the holiday season, but also see increased interest during the summer grilling months. Aside from that, they are generally an evergreen product. Meat thermometers have an average monthly search volume of about 105,000 on Amazon and 43,000 on Google. You can import 20 meat thermometers from Alibaba.com for $6.14 per piece, or you can import 200 meat thermometers from Alibaba.com for $5.76 per piece, or you can import 1,000 meat thermometers from Alibaba.com for $5.32 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $22.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 73%, 75%, or 77% respectively. Wireless charging is now a commonplace feature in modern smartphones, so the market for wireless chargers is thriving. These devices come in varying levels of wattage, typically 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts, that correlates to the speed at which they can charge a device. Wireless phone chargers have an average monthly search volume of about 204,000 on Amazon and 62,000 on Google. You can import a minimum of 2 pieces of this wireless phone charger from Alibaba.com for $2.89 to $4.67 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $18.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 75% to 85%. Stylish lighted mirrors are very popular holiday gifts, but they also sell consistently throughout the year. They appeal particularly to female audiences and fit nicely into many beauty and personal care niches. These mirrors are available in a variety of forms, including large, wall-mounted options and those with protruding LED bulbs. For shipping and import purposes, it's best to start with small tabletop models that have recessed LED lights. LED mirrors have an average monthly search volume of about 7,200 on Amazon and 8,900 on Google. You can import 20 pieces of this LED mirror from Alibaba.com for $9.95 per piece, or you could import 200 pieces from Alibaba.com for $9.27 per piece, or you could import 2,000 pieces for $7.77 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $46 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 78% or 80% or 83% respectively. Portable USB chargers have been around a while and they are also small and relatively lightweight, so shipping is easy. You can choose from a variety of USB chargers ranging from the most basic portable option to full-featured solar-powered chargers with multiple ports and large battery sizes. Portable USB chargers have an average monthly search volume of about 2,300 on Amazon and between 1,000 to 10,000 on Google. You can import 50 of this portable USB charger from Alibaba.com for $3.96 to $6.68 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $37.95 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 82% to 90%. A water shoe is a type of footwear that is typically used for activities where the feet are likely to become wet. They are made of mesh and have a hard sole used to prevent cuts and abrasions. Water shoes are designed to be sleek, lightweight, and durable, which lends to their fit as a great product to import from China. They have a variety of outdoor and fitness applications such as swimming, surfing, fishing, and even car washing. Water shoes have an average monthly search volume of about 101,000 on Amazon and 120,000 on Google. You can import 300 pairs of this water shoe from Alibaba.com for $2.53 per pair and resell on a site like Amazon for $22.98 per pair, resulting in a potential profit margin of 89%. Ring lights are popular with social media users and both casual and professional photographers. Many of these products come with a stand that elevates the user's phone, but some only provide a ring-shaped light. Other features are optional, such as dimmability and light temperature adjustment. Some ring lights are somewhat larger and less sturdy than other recommendations on my list, which can complicate shipping, but their demand and high profit margins make ring lights a worthy consideration. Additionally, suppliers have started making smaller portable versions of the original ring lights. Ring lights have an average monthly search volume of about 94,000 on Amazon and 232,000 on Google. You can import 50 of these kind of ring lights from Alibaba.com for $1.16 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $14.93 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 92%. Facial rollers soothe the skin and prevent aging. Semi-precious gemstones such as jade and to a lesser extent rose quartz are the usual materials of choice for these rollers as they retain temperature better than other substances and are attractive. Facial rollers have an average monthly search volume of about 41,000 on Amazon and 47,000 on Google. You can import 1,000 pieces of this facial roller from Alibaba.com for $1.37 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $22.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 94%. After hearing all these things, you might be wondering, is it really profitable to import from China? The short answer is yes. However, the extent of profitability may depend on, but not limited to, the following factors: the level of competition, the niche, supply-demand gap, purchasing power of customers or your target audience, mode of import transportation, customs and taxes charged by authorities, freight agents' commission, bank charges, and your country's proximity to China. However, if you keep your cost under control by ticking the right boxes, be rest assured that your products will generate profits. Other websites you could consider selling these items on include Shopify and Etsy, so make sure you check out those platforms. Okay fam, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope that you can share it with someone that would also find the information I have shared beneficial. If you did find it helpful, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please also remember to subscribe and join Magi's gang. I will see you all in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.